Hi everyone, so I'm gonna give you a quick review, a quickie for this product here from Nivea. It's a deodorant, stick deodorant. It's a Barrel and Beauty. It's 24 hours protection, and it's a new stuff here. So I decided to give it a try actually, to see if it's working. First of all, it's my first time to use a stick deodorant. I usually use a roll-on, but I decided to give this one a try. It's really amazing, smells so good, and actually makes me like sweat free, not like sweat smell free, not sweat free. It really smells so good and it makes me feel fresh the whole day. Actually, I use it multiple times every time I take a shower because I take a like shower like every couple of hours because it's really hot, it's really humid, and I don't like smell bad. But this one, no matter how I become so hot and feel like I'm sweating like a pig, I didn't smell at all. I really love it so far. I use it for like a month now, and I didn't like. I almost use it actually, as you can see. It was just like a little elevation. So I guess that will stay with me for a long period of time. I use it multiple times per day. They say it's 24 hours, but I don't stay 24 hours without taking a bath. So I don't know about that, but overall, I really love it. It makes me feel so fresh and it smells so good. So far I really love it. Of course, I'm gonna make an update after a while, after I use like half of it at least, to tell you how I like it or not, continue liking it or not. But so far it's so amazing for me. I love it. It makes me smell so fresh, and the smell of the deodorant itself, it's not strong, which is the point because I don't like the deodorant to have a strong smell. I love perfumes but not deodorant to have smell. This one is so soft on my skin as well. I didn't feel it really like makes me feel uncomfortable under my arms, and actually I really love it. I really love it. So give it a try if you didn't. I know that you will like it. So yeah, it's a little bit expensive, but comparing to the roll-on and the effectiveness of this one, it's like worth it, really worth it. So yeah, I'm so happy that I got this product, and I really hope you like this quickie reviews. I really hope that you're gonna like them because I'm gonna make tons of them later on. So yeah, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'm gonna see you soon. Bye.